Surprise, guys! We're back out for one more adventure. I don't know how we got lucky like this, global warming, whatever you want to call it. Hopefully it's not, because that's not good for the environment. But I was literally about to go put my SeaDoo away, go get it winterized by the great team at Energy Powersports. And all of a sudden we got this absolutely beautiful weekend up here in Canada. It's about plus 18 Celsius, so high 60s, low 70s maybe. I have no idea. Whatever. Anyways, there is a bit of a wind because it's coming out of the south, so sorry if there's any wind noise. But we just had to get out for one more rip. I hadn't done the Otonabee River yet, and I haven't been down to Rice Lake yet this year, so I figured what better time than now to get out and do one more punch and a run. So this is just going to be a quick video, just getting out there and having a great time and exploring, and just to enjoy. No leaves, all the leaves are gone, as you can see. Fall is in full effect here, but hey, this is what we're out here for, one more run on the water. So this is its swan song. We're taking it in this week, so let's enjoy it, guys. So we're gonna head south towards Rice Lake and just have a great time on the water. All right, let's get going. Guys, I absolutely love that first bit of that run there just south of Peterborough. We've come into Campbellton now, this little stretch right here. It's a no-wake zone, or a requested no-wake zone, so try to always abide by that. Keep the people on the river happy. They don't want to get their shoreline washed away, and you never know who's in the water during the summertime, especially. People want to be out swimming, so always be safe. So we're about halfway down towards Rice Lake right now. So yeah, just doing a little 10K zone, so I figured I'd check in really quick. And then next little bit will be another jaunt, and maybe we'll stop right before Rice Lake and see where we're at. So, all right guys, we're gonna keep heading south and towards the lake. Let's keep going. Alright guys, well we've made it to Rice Lake. We're just coming out of the Otonabee River right now. Looks like there's a bit of wind out on the water, but nothing too crazy. So what I might do is punch over to the south shore, because I think it's a south-southwest wind right now. I haven't learned to speak. And let's maybe go down toward Hastings and see what we got there. We'll see what it goes for. But yeah, right onto the big water now. So let's get out there. Nope, I lied. It's way rougher out here than I thought it was. So I think we're gonna go just maybe around these 3 islands here and then head back. No need to risk anything this late in the season, so yeah, whoops. All right, let's see if we can stay dry here. The wind has really picked up and the clouds are coming in, so all right, let's do a lap around these 3 islands and then make our way back, because it's getting choppy. It will not show up on camera. That sucks. All right, guys. Well, there's an island. Well, I think we're gonna do these 3 islands and then head back. Let's go. right, guys, well, that pretty much wrapped it up for this last adventure. This is the last one. Like I said, we're going to be putting our way after this one. So I just want to say thanks again for everyone that's watched these videos over this season and all the seasons that we've been out there. Really do appreciate it. Everyone that's reached out in the comments, thank you so much. So great to talk to you guys. Please keep it coming. I'm going to try to have some stuff during the off season. I do have an exciting announcement. I will be, because of you guys, I will be presenting or doing a what am I doing? I'm doing like a seminar at this year's Toronto International Boat Show. Dates and times to follow, but guys, thank you so much. Because of you guys, we're spreading the word about getting out here and exploring on the SeaDoos and stuff. So I will have a seminar or a couple seminars throughout the Toronto International Boat Show this year. So again, more details to come on that, so stick around. But again, a huge thank you to all of you for making stuff like this possible. So guys, I just want to say thanks again. Please make sure you hit the like button, please subscribe, and you know, I truly thank you for everything. You guys are the best, and we'll see you soon, either on the land talking about SeaDoos and boats and stuff, or back on the water. No, we won't be back on the water. Scratch that. So see you soon, guys. Until then, be safe out there. Peace.